Now let's unbox a Tascam DR 60D Mark II. This is a great audio recording device. Starts off with instructions, USB cable, packaging foam, and the Tascam. This is powered by a number of AA batteries. What's really nice about this is you can mount your camera like a DSLR right on top, plug in your boot or shoe for a tripod on the bottom, but you can also unhook it real easily, hold your camera, hold the Tascam, plug in a wireless receiver right into it and get good synced audio at the same time. And that's it for that box. Very simple.